Hi everybody, Kat here. Thanks for joining me today. Today I decided to paint some flowers because I woke up to snow and I'm feeling really stressed this week, and I think I'm just going to paint away the anxiety, and I know this is going to relax me and I hope it relaxes you too. So get your paints ready and let's get started. Today I'm going to be using, I haven't decided, they're all roughly the same size. These two are very inexpensive brushes, but they have a fantastic point on them. And this is a squirrel brush, natural hair brush. And this is also an inexpensive brush. It holds very little water and it comes to a terrific point. So I'm going to be using that for the finer details. I have a cut up plastic card if I want to etch in some veins into the petals, but that's totally optional. And this is Winsor Red, this is Quinacridone Magenta, that's by Core, and this is Winsor Yellow, and I'm just going to combine them. I'm also going to be using a sap green, or you can use any green of your choice. Before we start, I want to mention to make sure you have 2 pots of water, one for rinsing and one for really cleaning, because when you mix these colors, you are going to get a kind of different shades of orange. So if you want to keep them separate, make sure you have a nice clean jar of water. If you're joining today because you need to de-stress too, take a few deep breaths. Then begin by mixing a watery color of your choice and make a soft teardrop shape. Using a different color and a smaller brush, dab in around the edges of the petal and just watch the colors flow. If you like, gently scratch in some veins with a plastic card, the sharp corner of your plastic card. Continue to paint as many petals as you like. Don't think of anything else. Stay in the painting. Allow the first petals to dry before adding more beside them. If you use the same 3 colors to create different colors, your painting will have harmony. You can look at pictures of tulips and just get an idea of how some of them are closed. Some of them are open to the sunshine. I have mixed some of my yellow with the quinacridone magenta and some red to get this beautiful coral color. Start adding more flowers underneath the higher ones. I haven't quite had enough of being mesmerized by the magic of watching the watercolor flow. So add as many as you like or as few as you like. And then when you're sure they're dry, start adding petals between the ones that are already there. You don't have to do this for every flower. When you feel you have enough flowers, start adding some stems. Choose a smaller brush and keep your hand as relaxed as possible and start at the tip, underneath the tip of the flower and work your way down. Now don't be stressed at this stage. It's time to add the leaves. It's going to make the flowers look like they're dancing. Just try to add them where you see a little bit of space. Don't worry about it looking crowded. Add several shades of green. I added some yellow into Hooker's green for the first layer, and then I use straight Hooker's green for the darker shades you see. Using a drop of ultramarine blue, when the Hooker's green didn't seem dark enough, I added a few details, adding some darkness underneath the flower petals, on the edges of some of the stems, and where the leaves overlap the stems. I hope you were able to find some time for yourself to unwind today and paint this. I really do feel better. I hope you do too. I hope you feel relaxed and you're pleased with your results. Happy watercoloring, everybody. Bye-bye.